Yeah, I think that'll do it. As bad as I really want to take this off, probably gonna have to wait till we put it on the truck so we don't get our nasty fingerprints all over it. Oh yeah. That was impressive. So we got the 90-degree picket style elbows. So they're gonna come clear down and then go in. So we're gonna have to do some changing underneath there with that Y pipe and stuff. So let's see if we can figure that out. So these are 7-inch Roadworks stacks. I think the 7 inches will look good on this truck. 8s are cool, but they just seemed a little too big, I think. But these are 7-inch and they are the Boilermaker tip. I forget the height, but we're gonna have to cut them down just a little bit because we still gotta be able to fit through the garage door. And our shop door is only 12 foot, so we're limited there, which I'm pretty bummed about because I'd love to just have these things, you know, 14 foot up in the air, but what do you do? So let's get to work. I'm gonna try to put this on. Then we can measure and see where we need to cut. I really wanted to keep my fingerprints off, but I had to slide this clamp on, so that kind of ruined that. Oh, I forgot the bolts. That's great. Oh, those are huge. Oh man, why can't we just keep it like that? Dang. Alright, now I gotta measure how tall these are so we know where to cut them. So those are right at 13 foot. So we gotta take off 16 inches. Man, that sucks. How about we just put get a new shop. Let's just get a new shop. Then we don't have to cut our stacks. I like that idea better. Damn it. Short door. I guess let's get to cutting that stack down. Well, I was really sad cutting that piece off of that stack, making it short. But you know what makes me even more sad? Finding out that the tip is bent after I cut it. Guess I should have checked that before. Guess you live and you learn. I found out because when I was going to cut this one, the height was different. So I pulled it off, and this tip was bent, folded over. So I tried to bend it back, but you can see it just don't look right now. So we're gonna see if they'll trade me for a new one on this one since I haven't cut it yet. And I guess I'll just have to buy another one. Guess we will resume this video in the future. Alright, it's in the future now. And we've got one dented stack and two brand new ones. Sometimes you gotta learn the hard way, I guess. So this is your reminder, if you're getting new stacks for your truck, check them out before you put them on. That one looks good. Yep, that one looks good too. Let's get to cutting these bad boys and putting them on. Yeah, that looks a lot better not bent. Nice. Now we'll go and put the other side on and then start working on the Y pipe. Oh yeah. Looking good. Hopefully they fit out the door. So this is a IFTA sticker bracket. I got one for the other side too, just haven't put it on yet. But we got the stacks mounted up. Now all we got to do is get the Y pipe on and hook these suckers up and see how they sound. Yeah. Gotta get all the fingerprints off. That looks pretty good. Got the pipes clean. Should we fire it up and smoke ourselves out of the shop? See how it sounds?
No.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Lots of smoke. Perfect. Let's go for a little drive, see how she sounds. Sounds so good.